Hi there everybody, how y'all doing tonight? We're back looking at this creek. I'm going to put one more layer of water. It's looking really good. It's almost right where I want it. But I'm going to put one more level in here and then give it a few days to dry, and when it does, then it'll be time to start doing some more scenery around it, adding in some tufts and maybe some more trash in the edges of the bank, and maybe even some static grass up there above the edge of the bank. We'll see. Not sure where we're going to go with that yet, but we've got our trusty Realistic Scenic Water. What's left in this bottle? It's about a half a bottle left. So we're going to put another layer. We're going to go ahead and pour another layer in here. I mean, it's going really good. No bubbles so far. Very pleased with how this one's going, and I think it's part of it was the prep, but part of it is the fact that I'm doing very thin layers again instead of thick layers like I did before. And it's reasonably level. The water seems to spread fairly well once it's poured. It looks like I'm pouring a lot, but I'm really not. This layer is like super thin. There you have it. Very simple, simple and quick pour. Seal this bottle back up because there's still quite a bit left in it. Didn't really use much. And who knows? I may even add one more layer after this. We'll see. But this has really got the level up here, right around the edge of where the stick sticks down in here, and that little worn out section of the bank there, and it's just up to the edge of this little indention here. These rocks that I added to cover up the little mistake that I made there with some little test piece of paint are just barely out of the water, so they're going to look just right how they are, and it'll be perfect to maybe add some of those water effects with some water rippling off the edges of that. We'll to give it a little look of motion there. We'll see how it goes. If you guys have any tips or suggestions there on maybe things I should do around the creek here, I'd love to hear them. Obviously, it's it's not a blank slate, but it's still fairly open and ready to go. And that's about all the update I have at the moment. May fire up some trains here in a minute and see what I got going on, but for now, that's it. I mean, the newest thing on the layout besides what's going on here was those diff coat dump cars that I did in the video that came out on Thursday the 20th. So if you're interested in how I did rock loads for a diff coat dump cars, check that out. And I really appreciate for those of you guys that are following along. I know there's not a lot of you out there, but the ones that are and sticking with it, hope you're enjoying what you see, and I'd love to hear from you and hear what you think about this. And some of you know me from Train Board, so if you go on trainboard.com, you can find a whole thread about my layout on there and check it out. But or that's another place you can reach out to me if you're a member there and you're watching this and you want to have a question. Just let me know, or post them in the comments right here. Click like, so get your friends to subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the more encouraged I am to come up with some different content for the channel for you guys. And appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.